It is Monday, guys. Monday morning, talking about me while I'm making money. Okay, so Monday morning and mornings that you don't joke with, especially as a content creator. You guys know how we do this. You guys know how we run things. Monday mornings and mornings, you should be looking for how you can get your 1,000 subscribers in 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, one day. Monday mornings and mornings, you should be looking about how you can literally look out for other means for you to be able to make it out here on YouTube. I will keep telling you, there's a lot of money on this YouTube to be made. A lot of people are making money. Yours should not be different. So the only thing you need first of all is you need to strategize. What do I need to do personally for me to get my 1,000 subscribers, get my 4,000 watch hour, monetize on YouTube, and start making money on YouTube? That is the first thing you should literally be thinking about right now, this Monday morning. And you guys know the first thing we need to do, and all we always help ourselves, is to vibe with ourselves in the comment section. You see a lot of people dropping comments. You see a lot of people saying, oh, I'm supporting you. Genuine people, for that matter, go ahead and also vibe with them. Okay, vibe with them, support little content creators so that those content creators can also come support you. See, if you have your time, you need to take all of your time, energy, and put it on this social media platform, especially when it comes to YouTube. I've been on all of the social media platform, and I've told you guys that one of the best that pays very well is YouTube. But I am not also saying you should limit yourself in other social media platforms. Facebook also pays very well. We have TikTok as well that pays very well, depending on the niche that you're actually doing as well. So it's just a whole lot for you to make money out of the social media thing. So do not limit yourself. So one of the ways to get the 4,000 watcher, like I said, is to vibe with each other from the comment section. We also have a Telegram group where you can literally vibe each other as well from the Telegram group. You can check it down here, and it's also attached on my bio here. Okay, where all you need to do is also to vibe with people. But if you're among those ones, I'll be like, God forbid, I don't want to vibe with vibe. Please stay out of this. I'm not saying you should actually join. The another thing that can actually help you as a YouTuber, if you actually want to achieve that your 1,000 subscribers as quick as possible, as fast as possible, is your content. The kind of content you're bringing here matters a lot. Don't forget that. So no matter how blurry, no matter how bad that content is, make sure it is educational. Please, I beg you. And I don't even know why, as a content creator, as someone that literally wants to make money, I don't know what is flying here. I'm sorry, guys. As someone that literally wants to make money, I don't know why you will even say most of the content you want to try to bring here is going to be blow. I don't know. See, go check some of my old videos that I did that time. No matter how I was not having good camera, I was trying my possible best. At least let me sit where there is light. Let me sit where I can be able to scream so that they can hear my voice. It's not a must that you must buy a mic for you to get 1,000 subscribers. But first of all, sit yourself where whenever you're doing your videos, they are clear, is audible enough, people are getting some part of information from it. There is no way you're not going to be making it on this YouTube street. So your videos are very important. Other things that are very important if you want to achieve these 1,000 subscribers as quick as possible in less than how many minutes, how many hours that you're looking for, is you have to make sure that your thumbnail is catchy. Learn to create thumbnail. Look at my thumbnails that I'm creating recently. You have to learn every single day. I am still learning even till date. So you have to learn and unlearn. That's just the honest truth. So if you keep staying in one place, maybe you see Mr. A that you started with, the content is actually doing great, the thumbnail is actually doing great. You also need to strategize. Look online. I learned all these things online. I browse. I have never paid for me to learn thumbnail. I have never paid. I learned them online by myself. And at the end of the day, they are really doing the job for me, and you can also. Do you get? So you need to first of all tell yourself, what do I want to achieve before the end of this 2026? It's as simple as that. Another thing that can actually help you if you want to achieve your 4,000 watch hour is you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent. Back to back is very important. Back to back upload. Disturb YouTube. Tell YouTube that you are available. Tell YouTube that you are here to make it in life. Tell YouTube that, yes, I am here for you guys to push out my content. The moment you sit back, YouTube sits back as well from you. You can see it from my own end as well. Childbearing, all of these things made me to drift back automatically, and automatically YouTube take a pause. They didn't only take a pause, my subscribers were going down. By now I was supposed to be like 95,000 subscribers, but my subscribers started going down. But the moment I started again, my subscribers started picking up as well. So if you stop, they stop. If you pause, they pause. If you leave, they leave. So you have to make sure that your consistency is pulling out. your consistency. If you are in that position where you know that you can be delivering your consistency, you can be showing your video, please do. Except you get to that point where you know that it has choked, just like me. I said it in my life that there is no way I'm going to believe you, but the moment it choked me, the moment I see that I can't do it anymore, I just have to take a pause, because I need my mental health for me to come back and bounce back fully. And I'm bouncing back. I am bouncing back, and you can as well. So, but if you have all of that time, please pull out your consistency, especially as a single person. I don't want you to get to that stage where you'll be looking for a job. I don't want you to get to that stage where you'll be carrying CV up and down. Carrying CV now is not profitable at all. It's not profitable to anybody. So try everything you're going to do to monetize your channel. The most important thing, monetize first. Even if you're not seeing the coins coming in, even if you're not withdrawing every single day, monetize first. That was one of the things that ginger me. So if I can be a millionaire housewife, you can also be a millionaire housewife. Yes, from YouTube. Specifically YouTube, you can also be a millionaire housewife. So you don't need to sit down, you don't need to think that, oh, this platform is not for you. I know that sometimes it is tiring, sometimes it is frustrating, sometimes you have tried every single thing that you have tried, but still it's not working out. Sometimes it's looking like you are stuck. It's just a whole lot to deal with you. Sometimes it's looking like every odd is against you. Sometimes you can even film video over and over again. You keep recreating that particular video over and over again. Those are your stepping moments. Those are the moments that you are going to sit down, look back, and then smile and tell yourself, I actually did it. And if I can do it, you can also do it. So don't ever think in this whole life that YouTube is not for you, that getting 1,000 subscribers is not for you, that getting 4,000 watch hours is not for you. People are cracking the code in just one day, getting 4,000 watch hour. They are cracking the code in just 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, getting their 1,000 subscribers. And you can also crack the code. Learn to support people. Learn to comment on people's posts. Learn to post. Learn to be creative at every single point in time. These are the things that will literally help you. Learn to upgrade if there is need for any upgrade. You have the money, you want to upgrade your equipment. Don't say, oh, I've not started making money. Don't do that. You have to upgrade, because you are investing in what you're going to be making out from this place. I bought my camera 1 point something, and at the end of the day, I have made more than that. So you can see that these things are investments. And if I can do it and get my 1,000 subscribers, you can do it in less than 4 minutes, in less than 8 minutes, in less than 1 day. All you need to do is consistency. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't also forget the collab method I taught you people, that you can use the short collab method to also achieve your 1,000 subscribers. But anyways, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I would love to see you at the top. I'm gonna say bye. I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.